Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a pocket for my journal, just trying to find a page to place the pocket on. Here we have some matching hand-dyed paper. Beauty of a loose leaf journal is that you can take a page out and work on it. So bringing the paper back in and just measuring the height of the journal page, making a mark, folding the paper up at the mark, and bringing in a bone folder to make the edge nice and crisp. Turning over and folding again. This is a flip out pocket, so it'll be glued down to the journal page and then flip out to the left. Bringing in a 1-inch punch here, I'm just going to make some decoration to the top of the pocket. Feeding it in just a quarter of a circle on both sides. Bring in a flower punch, lining up on one side and then the other, and then lining up in the middle. Just adds a little bit of extra interest. Unfolding the paper now and bringing that flap down, marking a line from the centre of that fold there down to the corner on both sides. And cutting that triangle out. There. Folding up those flaps, that makes our first of our pockets. Just burnishing the crease again there just to make it nice and crisp. And then cutting that triangle in half again. Laying them on top and marking left and right on each pocket. Little R, little L. Gluing down now the larger of the pockets. Just need one glue line from top to bottom. I'm using PVA glue there in a lovely narrow tipped bottle. That's the larger of the pockets then in place. The smaller of the pockets, they'll be made smaller by actually scoring each side and folding in and gluing down the fold. So here I'm scoring 1/4 of an inch in from each side. On both of those pockets. Cutting the corners off there so that you don't have the bulk when you fold those edges in, that you don't have any bulk at the corners. Just folding in on the score lines there. Not very well because I was scoring on a very soft surface, so I don't think I scored that very well, that one. Having trouble folding it in. Cut off the ears. Just burnishing again, make the edge a little crisper with my bone folder. And then doing the same thing to the other pocket. That one's gone out of shot a little bit there, but folding up. cutting off the ears. And now I'm going to attach, gluing on that folded line, I'm going to attach that to the other pocket, lining up on the corner. Rubbing out the pencil line which just showed there where I marked the original triangle. And gluing down, lining up the edges. There are so many possibilities for decorating here. Loving the look of that. There we have 2 pockets on each side. Could add another pocket on the front as well. Just lining it up now on the journal page. Although I actually glued all of this down to the back, if you only glued around 3 edges, you'd have yet another pocket to put some papers in, but I decided I wanted this one glued right down. And there we are. Lovely flip out pocket. Thank you so much for watching.